What's up? My name is Ellen with Weston, and I'm here today to talk about the Weston Riva. For our 10-year anniversary, we developed an all-new, fresh look for our classic lineup. These crisp, clean, cohesive graphics are all done by talented artist Brooke Rubel. Each unique icon represents the name of the model of the board or ski, and the graphic through the middle is a nod to where it's designed to be ridden. This board is our top-of-the-line hybrid Freeride and all-mountain board. Capable of riding the whole mountain, the Riva excels at high speeds, floats through POW, and is stable through variable conditions. The Riva is a directional board with a wide, longer nose to float through powder, but a pretty mellow taper that still has enough of a consistent edge hold on variable terrain. This shape excels on steep lines and deep snow, but doesn't sacrifice the ability to ride switch. This board features our Freeride camber profile, with flat to reverse camber on the tip and tails to maximize float and ease of turning. Traditional camber underfoot with a more aggressive radius towards the tail provides pop and more support on bigger drops. And because we've made this board with backcountry in mind, camber underneath the feet provides more grip and edge hold while climbing uphill. The wood core on the Riva Solid is a blend of paulownia, poplar, and bamboo with carbon laminates between the wood stringers. This creates a strong, energetic ride with just the right amount of dampening. In the split, we use a poplar paulownia blend with bamboo right underneath the inserts to increase binding retention. This board has a 7 out of 10 flex rating, meaning that it will handle higher speeds and variable snow conditions better. Along with the rest of the boards in our lineup, we use a rugged polyamide top sheet, which is sustainably sourced from castor bean oil. This helps with snow shedding and increases durability. In the split version of the Riva, we reinforced certain areas of the board with carbon stringers. Carbon stringer runs from tip to tail through each split section, making the board lively and adding pop. Complete with our Go Forth and Slay POW tagline, we use polyurethane sidewall material in this board to provide added dampening and increased durability. This also reduces material waste while manufacturing. We use a high-end Sintered 4000 base material, which is super fast and easy to repair because it's black dominant. In all of our split boards, we use Split Tech, which is a shifted touring bracket towards the nose, which helps raise the nose and drop the tail for ease of kick turns while touring uphill. We also include holeless bases, which makes the bases easier to repair and keeps the board super fast. We also feature Caracorm Ultra Clips 2.0 with active latching to make your split feel as close to a solid as possible on the ride downhill. And all new for the 2022-23 season, we've included reinforced holes in the nose and notches in the tail for our all-new Weston custom skins. As a more aggressive rider, I love the Riva because it caters to helping find deeper snow and riding steeper lines.